Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am doing a quick testing video on Bora. It's a new fragrance that BeScented is going to be carrying. It smells amazing. It is like tropical heaven. I'm a real big fan of tropical fragrances. This might be my absolute favorite. It's pineapple, mango, passion fruit, yuzu, green apple, with a little bit of musk. It just smells fantastic. I know that description just doesn't do it justice. This is probably like in my top 10 fragrances of all time. This fragrance does not rise, it doesn't accelerate, and doesn't discolor. It behaves perfectly, which is really nice. Just added the fragrance in. And I'm always like understick blending with my 2-ounce batches, or my 2-pound batches, the test batches, because I just never know how it's going to behave. So I tend to err on the side of not stick blending as much. But this one behaved fantastic, so that's good. So I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this video. I was really happy with how the cut came out, and grab some of this fragrance from BeScented. It smells fantastic. I'm thinking bath bombs, candles, scrubs, obviously soap. Just smells amazing. Thanks for watching.